Yeah, we out here, y'all. Well, I got two cameras to look at. I got this one, I got this one in front of me. Yeah, what up, y'all? BigCheese here. We out here at Micro Center for the first time ever. This is amazing! Oh, man, look. We about to have some fun, y'all. Stay tuned.
Hey, buddy.
Hello, brother, man.
How you doing? Oh, good.
All right.
Looking great.
Surprise, I'm not only getting the bill for myself, I'm getting the bill for him too. Happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day.
My birthday's today.
I don't give a damn, I'm still here. Got the 790 Elite, that's for him. You got the Maximus, that's me. Yeah, that's right. Both of them 13th gen. So therefore, we're gonna hit some new PCs in the future, okay? All right.
But if you watch, you're gonna be like, where was I? Right.
Yeah, let me grab one of those. Yeah, let me grab one of those.
I can't leave him hanging like that. I can't let him get it by himself, man. Well, we did our shopping, man. We did our shopping. We got everything that we need.
I literally just did a bill.
And he still ain't done.
Yeah, it's a great case. I really wish they would do more.
He still ain't done.
Yeah,
I wish
yeah.
He still ain't done. Why is he not? Why are you not done?
Well, you know, speaking of not being done, whenever you feel like you're going down the tubes, get yourself a nice, refreshing splash fizz, and pick it right. Get back on. Get the ball rolling.
Yeah.
Splash fizz. New pizzle. About to drop. It's going down.
I told y'all I wasn't trying to show y'all my balls, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
A lot of the.
That's how you grab your girl. Yeah, come here, girl.
You crazy shit.
Come here, baby. I ain't playing with you. Come here. We here. We did it. Bro, we kind of went over the budget. Ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna have him pay for it. We got everything we needed to get. Taking care of the team, taking care of me. You know, put myself first, Lucius. All right. And we're gonna build this PC, bro, and it's gonna be amazing. So I hope that you guys are prepared for what's coming. I just want to say thank you for watching first and foremost. You know, because once it's get out there to the world, oh, we coming back, damn it. This is too good to be true for me. This is a dream come true. Matter of fact, Micro Center, Orlando, Tampa, Miami, wherever it's close to me, please come my way. I would appreciate that. Oh, man, what the?